Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Christian from Christian's Crafty Adventures. Welcome back. Today we're gonna be unboxing Happymail from my friend Teresa, and Teresa is from England. And so we've met in Facebook, and so she is an amazing crafter, and we're gonna be unboxing some of the goodies that she sent me. I need to send this girl something, that's for sure. So let's start with this cute one. Cute packaging. I love it, and it's like gold foil. I'm so excited. Oh, I can see it. Oh my goodness. Oh wow, looks like this is an Obed Marshall collection. Looks like Obed sunglasses right here, some Obed color elements right here. I wonder how you open this. Looks like she covered the bottom part of this also, and she put some lace and she glue gunned it. Let me see what it looks like. Ooh, I don't want to mess it up. I don't know how to open it. Wait. Okay, so it looks like a tin foil. Oh my gosh, these are all full of, she printed everything and fussy cut everything. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, she did. This is so much. This is so much. My goodness. She got the collection. She got the digital collection and she started printing them. Oh my goodness. Look how many. Look. So she has these inside. She has tags and everything that she put in here as decoration. And then these are all fussy cut embellishments that she created for me. Oh my goodness. Thank you so much, Teresa. Oh my gosh, this is so much. Look, she fussy cut everything in different sizes. It has like sentiments, elements, and icons. She even has Obed Marshall sunglasses or reading glasses. That is amazing. Thank you so much. Wow, all of it. It even has ice cream. Oh my gosh, she made all of this. This is just absolutely amazing. There's so much. She did all of it, you guys. Look at that. She fussy cut everything. So now it's just ready for me to use to decorate. Everything is here. Different sizes of sentiments, tags. Oh, wow. Wow. Thank you so much, Teresa. You made all of this. I cannot believe it. Wow. There's even black and white elements that she created. The bow. Look at that. That's the camera one. She added so many. I'm not even kidding. Wow. Like, it is packed to the brim. All of this. I love it. And look at that. She made the glasses of Obed Marshall. How amazing. Everything. There's so many. She resized everything, fussy cut some of them. This tin is fully, it's packed to the brim with ephemera pieces, ephemera that you can use to create embellishments with so quickly. So this is what she created. Oh my goodness, that is amazing. Thank you so much. And she created she used a tin like this. She decorated it herself. She painted it, and so it stores everything in one package, just like this one. Oh my goodness. Thank you so much, Teresa. Thank you so much. Next one is this Best Day. I'm not sure what collection this came from. I don't have this collection, to be honest. But let's open it together. She said these are all handmade embellishments. That is so sweet. Teresa is a spoiler, you guys. She is a certified spoiler for sure. My goodness. I told you she's an amazing crafter. Look how she decorated all these packaging. My goodness. She's created this glittered bow. She put paper clip on it. So look how pretty it is. She also did this one like a floral, kind of mermaidish. So beautiful. Look how pretty that is. a pom-pom, a pink pom-pom one. So she likes making paper clips. Look how pretty these are. Look at these butterflies. Look how pretty. And these ones are gemmies. She likes to create all these and share with her friends. Look how pretty these are. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Teresa. That is so, so sweet. And she created this shaker. This card has been handmade by Teresa. Look at the butterflies. So pretty. So, so pretty. Look at that shaker. Very, very blingy. Look at how beautiful the butterflies are. Thank you so much, Teresa. I'm going to read the card. I think it's a card. For you wouldn't fit in the box. So, so sweet. And she is Teresa Reed 422 in Instagram and Cute Crafty Girl 86 in YouTube. Cute Crafty Girl 86 in YouTube and Teresa Reed 422 in Instagram. I'm going to put a link down below. I'm going to put a link down below for her so you can send her some love in YouTube and Instagram. So this one is next. I don't know which collection she used for this one, but they all match perfectly. How she decorated it with a crepe paper like ruffle. Ooh. It's stapled. Wait, it's really stapled like. Yep. Stapled very, very well. Oh my gosh. I don't want to get hurt with a staple. Give me a sec. I want to be very careful with how I open it. Oh my god, look how cute and summery. Look how cute and summery these are. And she added pearls to the flamingo and the pineapple. And this is going to be next week. Look how pretty she personalized them. How cute. Thank you so much, Teresa. Just I want to be careful with the staples. Yes, because they're open staples. Thank you so much. Look how pretty. And I think this is a Maggie Holmes. I don't know which Maggie Holmes, but it looks like a Maggie Holmes one. So cute. Let me arrange it so you guys can see it better. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Thank you so much. Next one. And she put a lot of dangle balls in the packaging, you guys. It's so funny trying to get it out. Oh my goodness. Wow, it's really stapled shut. I'm trying to be careful so that I don't get staple marks and get lacerated. So this one, oh my goodness, look at the butterflies. She created more butterflies. I think she used punchers and then put some bling in the middle and then pearls on the side to decorate it a little bit further. And then she created her own topper. This one is a heart and then some punched, I don't know. Is this a ballerina? Probably a ballerina. Right there, and itty bitty butterflies. Oh my goodness. Thank you so much. Look, it all matches. I think she got it for the same collection. Ooh, be very careful with the staples. It is super secure, you guys. Oh my goodness. This is like all of it. Look. Look at all this itty bitty tags with all the tiny little details. Itty bitty tags with the dog and the owl. And then there's a sentiment for every single one of them. And then this one is the tiniest tag holder. Oh, it's so tiny. And then there's a tag attached to it. And she decorated every single one of them. And then this one is tags, embellished tags. And then she created her own bag topper. And this one looks like inspired by probably Willow Lane, but a little bit brighter. Like a brighter version of Willow Lane. Look how cute. Look at this tiny itty bitty cat. Oh my gosh. This is ready for me to use. Just like she used the formula of like a tag and a sentiment and like an image right there. Isn't that beautiful? Good job. Good job, Teresa. You just made so many for me. Thank you so much for your thoughtfulness. I appreciate it. Thank you so much. Let me open this other one. She sent so many. I just don't want to get hurt with the staples because there's so many staples. Oh, wait, let me pull this out. Staples. Yep. Okay. All right, I have to like pull it out because the staples are like everywhere. And I don't want to get a laceration because of it. All right, this one, I'm going to take it out of the packaging because I don't want to get hurt. Give me a sec. Okay, so this one she decorated the packaging with some unicorn and brightly colored stickers. I'm going to put that down there. Look, she made me some earrings. This looks like angels to me. What do you guys think? Sent me some angel earrings. They do look like angels. I don't know if it's like, it's bells, but they do look like angels. Thank you so much. Like a guardian angel. Look how pretty that is. That is so sweet. And she made that herself. I think she made it herself. She's very artistic. Okay, next one. Next one is this one. She made all these bookmarks for Disney in September. This is perfect for Disney in September. We do project in September and we create anything that has to do with Disney, and this is perfect. She used Mickey paper and then she added some stickers, and I think this is from Echo. Is it Echo Park or Simple Stories? Probably Simple Stories. And then she laminated them. So I have 3 bookmarks from Teresa. Then this one is wrapped with tape, which is good. Oh my gosh, look at these giant bows. Teresa made me 3 giant bows, and these are pink marbled paper. Looks like she created her own pattern. And she created it herself, and she put bling in the middle. That is so wonderful. Thank you so much. Oh my gosh, I see Disney. I see Disney and paper clips. Wow, this is a lot of paper clips. Let me show you guys. Oh my goodness, look at this Mickey head paper clip. So adorable. Mini paper clip. This one is a Mickey one. This one is a mermaid themed one. And this one is a star. Absolutely so beautiful. Thank you so much. And then she created this one and she put a K on it. Oh, how cute is this? Look how cute. And this one red matches with everything. And she put a Mickey sundae with some balloons, and it says Our Magical Vacation. That is so sweet. I think this one I can use for our trip going to Disneyland sometime this year. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. You are so thoughtful, Teresa. Thank you. Look, she put some journaling cards inside. I think she knew that I was going to Disneyland and she wanted to create. Oh, how sweet. How absolutely so sweet. And she created her own. She created a traveler's notebook for me. My goodness. Look at that. So she made 1, 2, 3 signatures. Oh my gosh. And she decorated everything and laminated the front for stability. Decorated it with the castle. And then she created these envelopes so that you can put like maybe souvenirs. Oh my gosh, wait, sorry. And then there's more journaling tabs in here. These are created, and then you can, these are pockets, I think. Oh yes, it is pockets. So you can put your souvenirs, tickets, boarding pass, or what have you right there. And look at this in the back. Look how pretty this is. How cute. Beautiful, beautiful. Thank you so much, Teresa. That's so sweet. How thoughtful. How thoughtful. Thank you so, so much. Wow, she sent me, as you can see, she sent me so much. She is very, very thoughtful. Thank you so much, Teresa. I appreciate it. Oh my God. Wow. This looks like Sweet Story. She created a sweet story. Looks like a sweet story embellishment book. How beautiful. How beautifully decorated this is. Look how pretty. With a sentiment and the dog with some puffy stickers. And then this is what it looks like. And this is the back part. And then she closed it with Velcro. Let's open it. And then okay, so this is the front. Oh, sorry. Looks, she sent me some punch flowers with like glitter in the middle, like there. I think glittered centers, white glittered centers. And then these, oh my God, look at all the details of this one. Thank you so much, Teresa. And these are bigger flowers that she painstakingly cut every single one of them to create a beautiful, beautiful flower. Thank you so much. It's like a floral embellishment book. Teresa, thank you so much for taking the time to send me all these beautiful goodies. I absolutely appreciate it. You are such a spoiler. Thank you so much. Look at this one. I think this belongs to here. But thank you so much for absolutely everything. I appreciate all the kindness and the friendship. Thank you so, so much for everything. And everyone, thank you so much for watching my unboxing of a random act of kindness from my friend Teresa. I will put a link down below for her, for her YouTube channel and her Instagram. Send her some loves, send her some hearts. Thank you so much for watching, everyone, and have a wonderful crafty day. This is Christian signing off. Bye, guys.